This Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Central Property video is presented by Connie Machel. Move-in ready 4-bedroom 2.5 bath home west/brand new carpet throughout, 1.5-year-old HVAC, and newer kitchen appliances. Large owner's suite west/walk-in closet. Convenient laundry room on second floor, washer/dryer convey. Eat-in kitchen, family room west/gas fireplace, dining and living rooms. New deck and a privacy fenced-in backyard. Swing set conveys. Fourth spacious bedroom, could be bonus room, comes west/large wall projector screen. Convenient to award-winning elementary school, shopping and I-64. For more information, review the details below or contact Connie Machel at 304-201-7653.